Are you looking for some beautiful wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to transform your living spaces? If so, you have come to the right place, as we have gathered you more than 90 wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces you never knew you needed to revamp your living spaces. When it comes to home decor, the choices we make can significantly influence the ambience and functionality of our living spaces. Wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces are timeless elements that can add warmth, character, and style to any environment. While many might think of traditional items like tables and chairs when considering wooden furnishings, there exists a vast world of unique and innovative wooden pieces that can transform your living space into a sanctuary of comfort and aesthetic pleasure. Wood as a material has been cherished for centuries due to its natural beauty and durability. The unique grains, textures, and colors found in wood add a touch of elegance to any setting. Unlike synthetic materials, wood offers a tactile experience that resonates with our senses, providing warmth that can make a space feel more inviting. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces you never knew you needed to revamp your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One of the primary advantages of wood is its versatility. It can be shaped, stained, and finished in numerous ways, allowing for a wide range of styles from rustic to contemporary. This adaptability means that wood furniture can seamlessly blend into any decor scheme, enhancing the overall aesthetic without overwhelming it. Moreover, the sustainability aspect of wood cannot be overlooked. When sourced responsibly, wood is a renewable resource that contributes to a healthier environment. Using wooden furniture and decorative pieces helps reduce reliance on plastic and other non-biodegradable materials, making it an eco-friendly choice for conscientious consumers. The living room is often the focal point of a home, where family gathers and guests are entertained. Incorporating wooden furniture can create an inviting atmosphere. Imagine a beautifully crafted wooden coffee table that serves as both a functional piece and a work of art. The rich texture of the wood can complement your existing sofa and chairs, while also providing a solid surface for books, drinks, or decorative items. In addition to tables, consider the impact of wooden shelving units. These versatile structures not only provide storage, but also allow you to display cherished items like photographs, books, and art pieces. A well-designed wooden bookshelf can act as a statement piece, drawing the eye and sparking conversation. The dining area is another essential aspect of any home that benefits greatly from wooden furniture. A wooden dining table can set the tone for family meals and gatherings. The warmth of the wood encourages connections and conversations, making every meal a memorable experience. When selecting a dining table, consider options that allow for flexibility, such as extendable tables. These pieces can adapt to different occasions, accommodating everything from intimate dinners to larger gatherings. Pair the table with wooden chairs that complement its design, or mix and match styles for a more eclectic look. In addition to the main table, wooden serving trays and decorative bowls can enhance the dining experience. These pieces not only serve functional purposes, but also add to the table's aesthetic appeal. A beautifully crafted wooden bowl, filled with seasonal fruits, can become a centerpiece that invites guests to indulge. The bedroom is a personal sanctuary, and wooden furniture can enhance its tranquility. A wooden bed frame, with its natural textures and sturdy construction, can provide a sense of stability and comfort. The choice of wood can influence the room's mood. Lighter woods can evoke a serene atmosphere, while darker woods can add a touch of elegance. Nightstands are another essential element in the bedroom. Wooden nightstands offer practical storage for books, lamps, and personal items while adding to the room's overall aesthetic. Choosing a nightstand with unique features, such as built-in charging stations or hidden compartments, can further enhance functionality. Additionally, consider decorative wooden pieces like wall art or sculptures. These items can infuse personality into the space and serve as focal points. A wooden wall hanging, for instance, can add texture and depth, transforming a plain wall into a stunning visual backdrop. In today's world, many people work from home, making the home office a crucial space that demands attention. Wooden furniture can create an inspiring environment that fosters creativity and productivity. A solid wooden desk can serve as the centerpiece of your office, providing ample workspace while also being aesthetically pleasing. Incorporating wooden shelves can help organize books, documents, and supplies, keeping your workspace tidy and efficient. The warmth of wood can counterbalance the often sterile feel of office environments, making your home office a place where you enjoy spending time. Consider also the addition of decorative wooden items, such as desk organizers or pen holders. These small touches can enhance your workspace while adding to the overall design. While furniture plays a significant role in revamping your living spaces, decorative wooden pieces can take your decor to the next level. These items can provide subtle yet impactful enhancements that reflect your personality and style. Wall art is a powerful way to express individuality and creativity. Wooden wall art can range from intricate carvings to simple geometric shapes. These pieces can add a natural element to your walls, creating a striking contrast against painted surfaces. A large wooden mural or a series of smaller pieces can become a focal point in any room, drawing the eye and sparking conversation. Incorporating wooden accents throughout your home can create a cohesive aesthetic. Consider wooden picture frames, candle holders, or coasters that match the furniture style. These small items can tie a room together, adding layers of texture and warmth. Sculptural wooden pieces can serve as stunning conversation starters. Whether it's a hand-carved wooden figure or a modern abstract sculpture, these items can add depth and interest to your decor. Placing a sculptural piece on a coffee table or bookshelf can evoke curiosity and admiration from guests. Bringing elements of nature indoors can enhance the overall ambience of your living spaces. Wooden bowls filled with stones, dried flowers, or even seasonal decorations can create a dynamic visual that changes with the seasons. This not only adds interest but also fosters a connection to the natural world. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces you never knew you needed to revamp your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.